Owls. My name is Bess, and I'm in year 3. Have you ever wondered what that twit-twoo noise was in the middle of the night? Owls are nocturnal birds of prey that tend to be solitary creatures. Diet. Owls are formidable predators whose diet mainly consists of small mammals such as rodents, rabbits, and surprisingly baby deer. These fearsome hunters wait patiently amongst the tree branches until they hear the rapid heartbeat of their unsuspecting prey. At that point, they will swoop silently and pounce upon their victim.